It's your last day of school. Are you excited? What did you like best about the school? You can take your mask down. Bus isn't here yet. What did you like best about the school year?
When we would play Sparkle.
You'd play Sparkle in class?
Yeah.
What are you most excited about for the summer?
To go to Disney.
Go to Disney World? I know, that's exciting. I'm excited too. Are you happy today's the last day of school?
Not really.
Not really?
Yeah, because I will miss my teacher.
Aw, you're gonna miss your teacher. That's so sweet, Kenzie. You'll probably see him next year. When you're walking the halls, you can stop by his class and say hello. Hi friends, welcome back to another video. If you're new, welcome. Today I'm bringing you a speed cleaning video. My kids have a half day of school. It's actually their last day of school, and we are all so excited for summer and all the summer festivities. I'm a little emotional today. I always get that way. Their last day of school. If you are a parent, then I'm sure you understand this. The kids just grow up far too fast, so I am cherishing all these moments. But I hope you gain a lot of motivation from today's video. I thought this would be perfect to get as much cleaning done as I can possibly get done before they get home, which they'll be home very shortly here. I have maybe less than 2 hours, so I have to get moving here. But I'll also be sharing a easy casserole recipe. I thought it would make the kids a nice little lunch for when they get home, so I hope you guys enjoy. And I think that is it. I need to get started here, so let's begin. Here is the mess I have to work with. I'm gonna start here in the kitchen, straighten it up, take care of the dishes, and then I'll move on to the bathroom down here. I have to show you my dogs though. They are so sweet. I can't resist sharing this. They are just sleeping here at the base of my stairs. I don't know if you can hear Bella snoring. Let me get a little closer and you'll be able to hear her. But this is Bella, and then here's Sadie. And Sadie, I think her tongue is too big because it's always sticking out. Show you that tongue. Show that tongue, Say. Why is your tongue out, girl? I don't know if you can see her tongue right there. It's so cute. I can't take it. It's so cute. And then Bella is our little snorer. She always snores. She can't help it. But I know many of you love to see the doggies, so I thought it would give you a glimpse. They're over here snapping away. As you can see, I am starting in my kitchen, and I'm just going to get as much done within this short amount of time as I can possibly get done before the kids get home. But feel free to clean along with me, clean along to the music. Let me know what rooms you are cleaning today. Once I'm finished here in the kitchen, I'm gonna move on to the bathroom on our main floor. That's the bathroom that gets used the most, it seems, and usually needs the most maintenance.
And it's kind of strange, don't even know your name. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. You say that you're from out of town. I'm hoping that you stick around. Show me what it's like from the other side. Would you stay another night? 'Cause I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you.
The cycle of dirty dishes in our house is never ending. I always feel as if the minute I clean the dishes, I turn around and there's a pile of dirty dishes behind me. But I'm sure I'm not the only one. I'm sure many of you can relate to this. But I'd love to hear from you. What do you like better? Do you like filling the dishwasher, or do you like putting the dishes away? I personally prefer putting the dishes away, but I know some people don't even like using a dishwasher at all. They find it relaxing to wash dishes by hand. So let me know what your preference is. I love hearing from you guys.
All this time I've been feeling hopeless till you came around. All this time you're the only
Once I finish cleaning the sink, I'm going to move on to wiping down the countertops. And I know I've said it before, but for anyone who's new watching my channel here, excuse that patch of drywall that needs to be fixed. We are going to be eventually adding a backsplash and painting our cabinets. It's on our list of things to do, but we just have not gotten to it yet. So excuse that patch of drywall is seriously driving me insane, and I may just have my husband fix it prior to us even getting to the project. But let me know if any of you have home projects that you are currently taking on or that you plan to take on in the future. Let me know down in the comments. I want to hear all about it. Now I'm just going to wipe down my table using the Method brand Wood for Good. I love this cleaner. I know I say that all the time, but I am just enjoying this sunshine and warm weather that we've been having here lately, and I just can't get enough of it. We've been spending a lot of time outdoors, a lot of time just relaxing on the patio. I am loving it, and I am just so ready for summer. But once I finish up here, I'm going to move on to that casserole recipe, so stay tuned. Now for that casserole recipe. This is a Monte Cristo casserole. It is so easy. You're simply using bread, ham, cheese, eggs, some spices, and that is about it. And it's kind of like you're making a sandwich, but you're adding some sweetness to it. So first things first, set the oven to 375, and then I'm going to grease the casserole dish with butter. I actually should have used a larger casserole dish for this. I realized that after the fact, but I'm putting about 6 slices of bread down. As you can see, I had to overlap them because the dish was too small. So I'm just layering the bread. Then I'm going to add ham, and I only had maybe half a pound of ham here. I needed more. I used about 2 slices per row there, but I would recommend using more for a heartier sandwich. And I also added cheese, and this is just white American cheese. Honestly, I think you can use any cheese of your preference. And then I'm going to mix eggs, and I had 6 eggs, so I went ahead and used all 6. You could use 5, probably would have been perfectly fine. So I'm going to combine the eggs with some milk, and I would suggest probably about 2/3 cup of milk, and I'm adding a little bit of salt, pepper, ground nutmeg, and some cinnamon and vanilla, and I'm mixing it all together. And then I'm just going to pour it over the bread. And obviously I forgot to mention, you also need to put a top layer of bread over the ham and cheese, and then I sprinkled shredded cheese on top of that. I forgot to mention that. And put it in the oven for about 35 minutes, and you're good to go. It's so good, and I love it. I like to eat it with like raspberry jam or jelly. And of course, you want to sprinkle it with powdered sugar when it's ready to be eaten. It is so delicious. If you decide to try this recipe, leave a comment down below. Let me know how you liked it. But now I'm moving on to laundry. I'm just gonna put a load in real quick and put away the load that was in the dryer.
Reaching out for something that is real. Babe, I'm trying to heal. I wanna run with you, run away. Just run away and leave this world behind us. I wanna run with you, run away. Just buy a ticket and I see you on the next bus. Oh. Daydreaming, we're filled with too much doubt. Daydreaming, how do
We hang most of our shirts up in the closet, which is why you see me draping those shirts over the chair, because I'm gonna take those upstairs and hang them up. But now I'm moving on to my bathroom, not my bathroom, but our main floor bathroom. And this is the bathroom I maintain the most, because when we have visitors over, this is the bathroom that gets seen the most. So I like to keep it clean and tidy. So I'm just gonna clean the mirror, wipe down the countertops, and do a little bit of cleaning on the toilet. Not like a super deep clean, just kind of more of a light style cleanup.
I wanna run with you, run away. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, run with you, run away. Ooh, ooh, ooh. How am I supposed to spend my days when all I wanna do is feel? Reaching out for something that is so real. Oh, I'm trying to heal. I wanna run with you, run away. Just run away and leave this world behind us. I wanna run with you, run away. Just buy a ticket and I see you on the next bus. And I see you on the next bus. Run with you, run away. Just run away and leave this world behind us. Run with you, run away. Just buy a ticket and I see you on the next bus. Run away. Lingers on every day of every month, wishing I just could forget about you. The weight upon my bones makes it harder to move on. Oh, baby. Don't think that I'll ever forgive myself for losing you, or for losing you.
Finally, I am going to straighten up my family room, do some light dusting and fluffing of the pillows, as well as vacuuming. But I have to say, since I rearranged my furniture, I really am loving the layout that I currently have it set up. It's just more open and easier to access the room, and it just looks more inviting, I feel, as you're walking through the front door.
Only thought that we were foolish, not that we were cruel enough to do it. Now I feel so stupid. Don't you feel that too? The feeling lingers on every day of every month, wishing I just could forget about you. The weight upon my bones makes it harder to move on. Oh, baby.
that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully you gained some motivation to get some things done today. If you decide to try the casserole recipe, let me know how it turned out. I am so hungry. We're gonna dig into that right now. But I hope you have a wonderful day. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. And I will see you in my next video. Take care. All right, Kenz, what do you think about the casserole? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Sort of. What's that mean?
Sort of.
You kind of like it, kind of not. It's good.